And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. Picked up some goodies and I'm going to show you some. I got it from my favorite little house of toys. I don't know if you know this place. I'm sure a lot of people know what this place is. Yeah, it's my house of toys. Anyway, I picked up a few items from there. One thing, well actually I'll show you. I'm going to tilt the camera down because it's easier to show you. But anyway, hope you're going to like this one. Let me tilt it down. Get ready for the big boom of light. Okay, there we go. One of the things I did get is, if you look at this, let me put the camera up a little here. It's always playing with camera angles. I did get a, what do you call it? A replacement, what do you call it? Key stock for this. This one, if you see, it's ground out in the end. This one might be a bit too big, but I'm going to grind it down. So anyway, this is going to replace the key stock in here. This little key stock, which I think I got the wrong size, but if it's the wrong size, I'll clamp it on my milling machine and shave a little bit off. It should work fine. So yeah, I got two of these. So when I screw up the first one, I can then fix. They were like, I don't know, $3 I think, two of them. Came in these beautiful packages I can use for blades later. The other thing I got is a where is it? This right here is the replacement rod for this. This is what is it? 1045 high strength steel. Maybe 1045, I don't know. And I have this one, which is probably not, it's a little too small. But yeah, I got another high strength steel rod. This was the wrong size for that. I also have for the screw here. Let me move this out of the way. Here's the, you can't even see it, put it this way. Right here, this right here, put my gloves on, it's a little chilly in here. I picked up I measured 5/8, I might have measured it wrong. This right here is the new 5/8 rod to go on here. And I don't know why I ordered high strength steel for little end bubbles, but I ordered a 1-inch bar. 1-inch bar to make the little tabs. I got some nice high strength steel here for this. And if I remember correctly, I ordered this is for this little piece here, but I also ordered one that's just a little bit bigger, so I can see the little end caps, the little end pieces here. I don't know if you can see that. See the little end butts? I'm gonna put my glasses on. Yeah. I'm gonna attempt. See the little end part here. Well, this is roughly around the same size. It's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna make a new one of these. And I'm going to attempt to make the ends and peen them down the exact same way. So I ordered 3-foot rod. I think they're like $7 or $8. It's all high strength steel. Apparently it's, I don't know. I'm guessing it shouldn't bend as much. I mean, it doesn't seem like I'm going to bend it. So I ordered extra because, I mean, Jesus, who doesn't want a piece of nice high strength steel? So I ordered a few extra. See, I got all this. The reason why I ordered two of these is I ordered two like this for the main handle on the vices, so when I screw this one up and then screw this section up and then finally get it okay over here, then I'll be able to, play with the thing. But I'm not sure how, I'm not even sure how I'm gonna make the ends, but because I don't own a tap. This is same size bar, 5/8. I'm either gonna, I don't know, machine it down a little, try to do the end. I could weld it, I could JB weld it. So anyway, that's my latest goodies for this week. This is all for to fix the Wilton vise. I am also, as soon as I cut this bar off, I'm going to cut it off in the middle. I am going to let me put this over here so this doesn't fall off my bench. Got a pin in there. As soon as I cut this off, I'm going to take this and put it on my vise, and I'm going to weld it all here. I'm going to just keep welding it all the way around. Weld it, and then I'm going to drop it in my lathe. A friend of mine's supposed to bring me what do you call it, a dial indicator. Make sure it gets some wobble out of it, and then I'm just going to machine it right off, so it's nice and new. I'll do the end too, face the end off. I just want it. I mean, this is ridiculous. Like, look at it. Like, some people like give that a patina. That just looks like it was thrown in the ocean. It looked like it was dipped in the ocean. So I'm going to take care of that. The screw looks in good shape. So anyway, that's it for this video. And next one, I'll try to clean the bench a little because I got something cool to show you. Thanks for watching and enjoy.